Hello. So today, after a long time, Sam is coming back on the channel, and this vlog is about Sam fulfilling her childhood dream. Not all childhood dreams are to buy a house or a Mercedes. Some of them are to buy a Converse shoes, and that is where we are heading today. Right now, we are at Lincoln Road.
Yeah.
And I think this is the only official Converse shop we have in Bombay. So we'll be heading there now. Anything you want to say?
Bombay?
Mumbai.
That's all I have to say.
Good. You mocked me. This is how girls shatter your confidence, guys. But you need not succumb to their...
The only Converse shop in Bombay? I don't know. I just like the shoe very much, and it was of 5,000 rupees. And when I was a kid, to me, spending 5,000 on a shoe was like too much. 1,000 रुपए के अंदर खरीदो जो खरीदना है वो. It felt like luxury back then, and even now it is sort of. But I'm excited to buy something that I always wanted to since I was a child. That's it.
Okay, Sam is now pursuing MBA. She gets very conscious and activated around branding, marketing. So we saw this Tira ad.
Okay, my question is, great that you're able to discover new brands, but why is there viral written over there? Why do you want virality? Why are you chasing virality? See, I understand that you are chasing virality when it comes to marketing, but as a consumer, why do you want a viral product? You should want a product that actually works for you, right? So why is the adjective viral over there? So that signifies, that is like a change in the culture, consumer culture. So people want viral products. They don't want a product that works. They want a viral product so that they can create a personality out of it, basically. This is my theory, but I can be wrong. I don't know. Whatever. भगवान से मांगने का सिलसिला खत्म करिए. Look at that. जो नारी सभ्य कपड़े पहनती है, आम जनता उसे ही अच्छे नजर से देखती है. Crazy. I need to meet this man.
Hey, yo, Sam.
Yeah. मत यार मत, गंदा लग रहा है. Please, it's like those Starbucks reels के हम Starbucks में जा रहे हैं, फिर Starbucks की कॉफी अपने जूतों पे डाल रहे हैं.
But you always wanted this, and this is like documentation of your dream.
Maybe later, maybe not while entering the shop. Please.
That is a moment, Sam.
I know, but I don't want you to film that. Okay. This is enough. यहाँ तक.
And so this is Zing. He helped us a lot in the buying process. It took us almost 40 minutes, but he was cordial throughout. So yeah, Thank you for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Enjoy it.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel great.
One of your childhood dreams.
Thank you.